this is Ian Star. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, it's very excited to film. Meron naman tayong bagong product na i-unbox from Zinff. As you can see, no, kanang ang atong look karon is kanang from virgin look lang siya. So, notice akong eyeshadow guys nga kanang pamalakas ang orange and glitters lang yun na siya, no. Very simple look, pang virgin lang nga lang, no. Discuss natin later yung mga discount and etc. yung mga promo na ino-offer ng Zinff Optical. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click notification bell para update sa aking mga bagong video. So, ayun na nga. I'm so excited to unbox this product. Though na nako ni siya before pag abot sa product, I'm so excited to share nga grabe just sa worth it siya sa inyong pera. Char lang sa pera. So ayan guys, watch this. So ayan guys, ito na po yung product na aking na-receive from Zinff Company. Open na ako ni siya. As you can see guys, yung pag-package niya guys is very safe. It's because ang dami niyang nilalagyan. First layer, malami siyang layer guys before ni mo makita yung product. First, second layer, third layer, fourth, fifth, and ika-6 yung carton niya guys. It's very safe yung delivery, char, segun sa nag-tune siya, no? It's very safe ang product nyo na ma-receive from Zinff. Based on experience guys, based sa aking natanggap na product, madali lang yung delivery nila. And the next is, yung pag-unbox natin guys, so kikita mo yung name ng brand name nila, Zinff. Pag-open mo guys, mayroon siyang dito, mayroon din siyang cartoon. Meron siyang cartoon nga naka-box. Meron siyang box sa ilalim. Cartoon nga naka-box. Pag-open mo yan guys, yan po yan yung nakalagay. At saka ito na po yung product ng ating i-unbox. So, as you can see guys, meron naman siyang, ayan, nakalagay siya yan guys, Zinff. Ito yung ang cards. Ang nakalagay guys is special gift from Zinff for your family. So, next purchase niyo, makalas kayo ng 35% for orders above $110. Yung price nito guys is dollar shop, but no worries, meron tayong less dyan. Later, i-check ako. Kung meron kayong scanner, i-scan lang yan. I-scan. Dalawa kasi yung special gift at saka meron kayong exclusive gift from your friend. 35% off for orders above $110. Purchase niyo, ito na po yung mga code. Ayan na po yung code na magagamit no next purchase. Next is card is we have the Zinff. Hindi siya makikita. Ayan. Babasahin ko na lang guys. So next is we have the gift your next purchase. You can enjoy 30% off on entire order. This discount available for all the products in Zinff.com. So this code guys is valid only for one order. Limited order offer only for you. Sa box guys, so makikita niyo yung ayan. Nakabalot siya ng panyo. So yung pang cleaner, ito na po yung product na binigay nila sa akin. Ayan. At saka yung panyo guys, meron din siyang pangalan nakalagay na Zinff. Ito na po yung product ni Zinff guys. So actually guys, yung pinili ko na product is yung ganito. Wala itong grade guys, wala itong grado kasi hindi naman ako sira ng mata. Gusto nyong lagyan ng grado yung what we call this, yung glass ninyo, pwede naman. So magbigay lang kayo ng information sa customer service nila. Sila yung magti-take ng order. Sila yung mas ng grades niya sa inyong mata. Yan, grades mo. Pinili ko guys is anti-red siya with blue light. Additional kaalaman guys, choose kayo na yung comfortable weight. Weight ba yun? Yung kalakihan. Kayo yung pipili kung gaano kalaki yung glasses na gusto niyo, yung medium or big or tsaka basta kayo na ang magbahala. Ita-try ko na guys.
20 minutes later.
So, maganda siya guys, in fairness, yung quality kasi yung dito guys, though hindi ako matangos ng ilong, pero nakakabit siya dito guys. So sa mga hindi kagaano kataas ang ilong dyan, so this is your time. Sakto siya dito kahit wala kang ilong. So ayan guys, so kung ano yung eyeshadow mo guys, makikita din nila. Ayan. So ayan guys, itong sunglasses na to guys is, yung pangalan niya is VANOLU Square Silver Sunglasses. Ilalagay ko na lang yung sa description box yung site na ginagamit nila pang order at saka Facebook page nila. Meron tayong exclusive promo nito guys. Kapag bumili kayo, just use this code EN30. Yes, EN30 para sa discount na 20% for the lens, 50% for the frame. So, ayan. So, I hope makatulong yung discount ko, guys. So, purchase na kayo, guys, sa Zinff Optical. And then, you can visit their account sa description below ko na lang ilalagay, no? Kaya, you know. Thank you so much, Zinff Optical, for the amazing product that you've sent me. Ayan. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Ayan, the quality itself, yung delivery nila guys is madali lang yung delivery nila. So ayan po, tapos na po tayong mag-unbox sa ating product from Zinff. I hope that you will enjoy this video, and sa mga gustong purchase, just use my code. Remember that code, and then ilalagay ko lang sa description below para hindi kayo malilimutan. Hindi niyo malilimutan. So ayan. Mga hindi pa nakasubscribe guys, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell, share this video, and like for more updates. Bye!